Hello everyone. Today we will make a solution to completely eliminate and clean the inorganic and organic waste and microbes between the bristles of our toothbrush. If you are curious about making a strong disinfectant antiseptic with hydrogen peroxide as an alternative to bleach and disinfectants, let's continue. Dental health and oral health are important. Therefore, it is essential for our toothbrushes to be clean as well. Normally, these need to be changed frequently, as you know. Hydrogen peroxide comes to our aid. Hydrogen peroxide is a powerful active substance that we use very often in our chemistry sector. In the meantime, we need to be careful. We must touch it with our latex gloves because it is irritating. We will make a 10% solution. There is 3% hydrogen peroxide in oxygenated water. For example, you can use it on wounds to prevent infection or as mouthwash. By the way, it also has teeth whitening properties. You can usually buy this online. It is generally 50% concentration. I haven't seen much else. We need to do a simple math calculation. What does it say on the label? It says 50% purity. I need to take 10 milli. For that, I will use a pipette like this. How much is this? 5 milli. This means I will take 2 doses of 5 ml each. Let's start the process right away. We have a simple procedure. First, we carefully open the hydrogen peroxide. First, let me take this container to easily use the straw. Yes, I want to use the berry over there. Let's make sure to release all the air. I'll take the last one inside as well. Okay, 5 to 10 milliliters are ready. Let me add a measuring device here. We use a measuring device in chemistry. Of course, you can use a normal one at home. You can also get other things, but you will only buy this once and use it for your entire life. Now, what will I do with this? I will complete it to the face, meaning 90 milliliters. As chemists, we normally use distilled water. But since we are doing a simple general cleaning here, drinking water may be acceptable. However, tap water contains a high level of minerals. The minerals we call lime can react with hydrogen peroxide, which can reduce its effective cleaning properties. So, if possible, use drinking water or even distilled water if we can find it. Then, hydrogen peroxide will be the only active ingredient in that water. Yes, you will see it now. First, let's dip it in and place our solution in a way that it will clean the bristles. In the meantime, let's put these back in place. In chemistry, we always finish what we start and we close the lids, so these should not be left out in the open. As you can see, they all look like water. It has no smell, but it should not come into contact with hands. And of course, after our process is finished, everything will be cleaned. I don't know if it can be seen from there. I will zoom in shortly. Small air bubbles have started to form. So, hydrogen peroxide has begun to work. In the meantime, we can pour these into sinks, toilet drains, and toilets. There too. First, you will remove the bulk of those yellowish-brown stains, and then if you treat them with this solution, you will see that it foams up as well. Of course, don't overdo it. A 5% solution might seem low, but you can make a 10% solution if you understand the mathematical calculation. Write down any questions you have, and don't forget to like and share, because normally I teach these in classes, special trainings, and for a fee. We let it sit for about 20 minutes, and then we wash it with nice water. While we have our gloves on, we also rinse the areas with water, preferably hot water. If there are still some residues, we dip that dried toothpaste back into a new solution. Let's wait for about 20 minutes. After rinsing it well, our toothbrush will be like new. In the meantime, you can also use mouthwash. It can also be 5%. Yes, mouthwash, because it also whitens the teeth in the meantime. If there are bacteria or organic waste on the tooth enamel, it breaks them down as well. Of course, let's try not to swallow. This 5% concentration is too much. It can upset the stomach. Yes, see you in the other videos. Stay more natural and healthier. Goodbye.